Hey guys, so you all wanted the recipe of lasagna and here it is. So we'll take 2 tablespoons of oil and add about 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste to it and cook it. Then we'll add 1 green chili chopped and saute it till it's cooked. So here I have 2 large onions which I've chopped finely and then we are sauteing it along with the garlic paste and chilies. We'll saute it till it becomes brown and it'll cooked. Once the onions are nicely cooked, we'll add 2 chopped tomatoes. These are medium sized tomatoes, not very large, and we'll add it and let it cook till they become a little mushy. At this stage, we'll add salt and pepper to taste and 3 tablespoons of tomato puree. This is for that little tanginess that will come, and it's really good for the sauce. So as we are preparing the salsa, we want it to be a little saucy and liquidy, so we've added 2 tablespoons of water and a little bit of sugar for that balance of flavors. Now that the salsa is ready, we are making the white sauce. For that, we have taken oil, added some garlic in it and added 2 tablespoons of whole wheat flour. We are making a healthier version of the white sauce and hence I've taken whole wheat flour. You can use maida if you like, and we'll roast it till it becomes brown. Once it has been roasted, we will add half cup of milk and keep whisking it fast so that no lumps are formed. But फिर भी बन ही जाते हैं lumps, so we will whisk it with a blender. After that, in a pot, we will take some water, add some salt and little bit of oil for. We'll boil the lasagna sheet just to remove the fat, though you can skip this part and let it cook in the oven itself. I've used the suji based lasagna sheet. Coming back to the white sauce, now that the sauce has thickened, we will add some spinach and let it cook and add some salt and pepper. When you add the salt and pepper, the spinach will leave some water, so you need to let it cook for a while so that it remains thick and doesn't become very liquidy. So here I have 2 cups of vegetables chopped, which I'm just cooking, and I've just added salt and pepper to it. Now coming for the plating, now I've taken a heat-proof bowl. I've added 1 sheet of lasagna at the bottom, little bit of salsa sauce, and I'm topping it with the vegetables that we cooked just with salt and pepper. Over that, I've put some spinach white sauce and we'll coat it well. Now if you have other vegetables like mushrooms etc., you can just saute them and add them to the white sauce. That will give a very nice taste. Now at the end, we will just top the bowl with more lasagna sheets and then it's done. We just have to top it with some cheese, grated cheese, and then we'll bake it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees depending on your oven, or you can microwave it on the convection mode for about 10 minutes. The end result will look like this, and I must tell you, this is a very healthy version of a lasagna, as healthy as I could make it. You can add cream, whatever else you want, and do let me know